This charming, well-maintained, 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is located in a prestigious neighborhood, just a short distance to downtown Lenoir, and all the seasonal festivities. A lovely home that is on the National Registry study list for historic places. A mostly brick exterior allows for low maintenance. The grounds are carefully landscaped, including rounded retaining walls, and a private parking area located off Bernhardt Circle. Inside you will find oversized crown moldings, large fireplaces, oak and tile flooring, and a wonderful, flowing floor plan. This home was designed with entertaining in mind. Most of the rooms are oversized, allowing for furniture placement and storage. Main level includes living room, dining room, family room, kitchen, office, bedroom, full bath, laundry and half bath, and screened porch accessing the private backyard.